Welcome to 876 Recipes News TV. On this channel, you will find recipes, news, and sports. I'm not doing only recipes on this channel anymore. I'm covering everything. I don't want to be put into a box. A St. Thomas woman who was charged under the Disaster Risk Management Act for hosting an illegal party was fined $565,000 when she appeared in the St. Thomas Parish Court on Monday. Mr. Fuss of Ridge District, Landoway, was also charged for breaches of the Spirit License Act and the Noise Abatement Act. The police said about 9:30 p.m. on October 9, they went to an area where a party was being held. On the approach of the police, several persons ran. Mr. Fuss, who was the organizer of the party, was arrested. This is good news for a lot of us parents. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said schools approved for face-to-face classes will reopen on November 8th. These include students sitting external exams, infant and basic schools, as well as 376 primary schools in mostly remote areas. High schools that have attained a 65% vaccination rate can be open to face-to-face classes. However, only vaccinated students will be allowed to attend classes in person. I really don't like that part because I believe that no child should denied education. That is my belief. Anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing and leaving comments and sharing my videos. Yeah man, thanks.